Welcome to Manhattan Helicopters. It's highly important to us that all customers understand the daily steps we take to ensure their safety. We would like to demonstrate our procedures for pre-flight aircraft sterilization. Prior to any flight, either our pilots or ground crew will ensure all common areas of the aircraft are sanitized using an alcohol solution. Headsets, air vents, door handles, and upholstery are all included in this step. Foggers will be used to spray the rear cabin with an alcohol solution to ensure all areas a wipe-down rag may have missed. Pilots are required to sanitize their personal front cabin areas in the event of a crew swap. As an added safety measure, aircraft have been equipped with a custom-designed plastic divider between our front and rear cabins. With the current safety measures that we have implemented, we believe everyone's health and safety is carefully being looked after.